you seen this?
No.
Oh my life! Oh, look at that booty. Where's the hat? Let me see the hat. Before you're selected. Like you never seen a camera!
Hi, camera.
What up?
It's not you.
It's you.
It's us.
No, it's
Her.
him. How are you guys?
Hello,
welcome.
friends.
We need to talk to you.
Something happened.
Something happened. And I want to tell you what we experienced. So my bed broke down.
Her bed broke down. And, yeah. She didn't change. She didn't change the oil in it.
So we went to Ikea. But you know us, so we had the best time ever at Ikea. You know, like walking around, having fun, being dorkies, right? And so, you know, we're the kid. I think we're the kids section. I think. And I see like a love seat chair, whatever, a love seat, and like a woman. She was facing a little bed with a stuffed animal here. It was not real, and so I thought I wanted to make a story on Instagram, tell everybody.
I don't condone this behavior. I mean, kind of I do because it's funny. So what happened was, once she mentioned the fact that it possibly could have been some kind of, I don't know, doll, and immediately in my mind I thought, that's true. It's
fake.
It's fake. It's fake. I walked over and I thought it'd be funny if I just grabbed it by the hair and just, you know, yanked its head back. I thought it'd be kind of, you know, and I thought I could make a video too. I'd do that and kind of laugh because it'd be funny. Well, as soon as I grabbed the mannequin's hair, even at that moment, I didn't even think anything of it. The hair didn't even feel like real hair.
You just grab it.
I grabbed this hair and I yanked that woman's head back, and she immediately was like, hey, whoa! I could not believe that I just grabbed a woman by the back of her head, yanked her head back. Our eyes met. It was like, and all I could say was, I am sorry.
Oh my god. I couldn't. I was.
And we still had to go pick up the bed. So we had to stick around. I'm looking around over my shoulder, thinking, great, I'm gonna be spending the night in jail, and pound me in the ass, prison.
Yeah, wouldn't you like that, babe?
Oh, God.
Are you sorry you didn't do it?
I should have just turned myself in. And
yeah, this is our sorry video.
Kinda. But if you're out there, if you want to reenact it so we can capture the moment again,
we're in.
You can just comment below. And there's one thing that we talked about. Look, guys, PSA, right?
What's a PSA?
Public service announcement. Look, don't be falling asleep at an IKEA, because
I mean, no.
a guy like me might be
putting your hair.
Might be cruising by and want to give you a little tug.
That's it.
That it?
That's it. That's it.